Flying an RC helicopter for the first time? I mean, what can go wrong? Let's go. Let's unbox this thing.
Before we fly this thing, it has altitude hold, 1 key takeoff, 2 batteries for 16-minute flight time, a low battery reminder, it's easy for beginners, an auto power off when you wreck, red, blue, black, and white is the colors it comes in, and they offer free shipping. Let's get this thing up in the air.
Go ahead and pair it.
Pairing the device is simple. The directions will show you how. The control is amazing. You can maneuver all over the sky with solid confidence. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the bottom left corner to get your helicopter.